What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is Wednesday, the day before my Mexico trip, so I had a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of work to do. I'm not going to finish everything, so I'm kind of bummed about that. We're getting some much needed rain, so finally maybe our grass will start to turn green again. We've been in a pretty big drought for the last like 2 or 3 weeks. Anyways, about the stocks, kind of mixed with the NASDAQ today. I'll post a screenshot of how the stocks are doing. A lot of red, a lot of green, but fortunately, one of our biggest positions, Tesla, is doing well, and Netflix is also doing really well today, so that's kind of helping us stay in the green today. So I'm going to share the screen with you guys and so you guys can see. So you can see we're up to 135 right now. Let's see. Right, so 135.8. So we're up for today, and here's our top performers. We got Tesla, Netflix, Universal Display. Very, very good gains with Tesla and Netflix. And so we have a lot of them that haven't moved yet, so here's a bunch of stocks in the middle that haven't done anything, or options rather. And then we have a few that are doing bad, but if you look at how much we're losing with them, it's not that much. So let me click the dollar sign here to switch. So you can see we're up 3,500 right now. So really, really excited about that. I hope we can keep that up throughout the day. And yeah, so we'll come back probably when the market closes and see how we do. Alright, so I know I said we were going to wait till 3 p.m. to come back, but I just hit refresh and it jumped up almost $3,000, maybe around $3,000. So I'm going to click refresh here to see what happened. Wow, it looks like the Tesla option just moved. Yeah, it looks like it jumped up even more, so that is crazy. So, oh man, come on Tesla, come on baby. Yeah, so now we're up over 6 grand. Oh, come on. All right, I'm gonna hit pause and then we're gonna come back. I gotta get some work done. All right, what's up? We're back. It's like 10:30 p.m. So obviously the market's closed, and let's see how we did. Woo! Wow, we closed really well today, guys. Wow. So I made about 8,000 pretty much. So let's scroll down here and see who our winners were. So we had Tesla at the top. I'm going to talk about them and Netflix tonight. So Tesla, wow, 29% for this one, and then 11% for this one, and then about 10% for that one. So, I mean, you're looking at like 5,500 just for those three. So really, really solid performance by them today. Really excited about that. Still a lot of people hating on Tesla. And so if they're buying put options or short selling, they are paying the price. And so let's go back down to here. So you can see there's a handful of options that didn't move, and then our worst performer was Activision Blizzard, and then Micron, but we didn't lose too much on them. BlackBerry went down 20%. We still got a little bit of time for them to come back, but they're not looking really good right now. Let me hit this dollar sign here so we can see the dollar amounts. And yeah, look at that. Woo, 8 grand today. That was definitely one of our better days for sure. So let's go to the watch list and see who's like the really top performers were on our watch list. Oh, really? There's this company Mylan. They went up like 19% today because one of their drugs got approved by the FDA. And again, it's a biotech company. I don't really know much about them other than that I have a friend with the same last name that I grew up with. So that's kind of funny. Her last name is literally spelled the same way. But yeah, check them out. Hold on. Yeah, I think that's them. But yeah, I guess they finished 16%. But that's crazy. So wow, I wish if you had options on that one, that would have been crazy. But I'm really not looking to invest in biotech anymore. I just don't know enough about it, so that's why I don't really have them on my watch list. But look at Netflix, 3%. Nintendo also did well. That's the Japanese traded one. The American one, I don't know where that is. But where's Tesla? They should be up here too somewhere. They had a really good day. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Something. Oh no. Yeah, you know what? I think these reset. I'm sorry. These reset for the day. I'll post a screenshot of the widget that you can see. But Tesla did do very well today. I think these are starting to refresh for getting ready for tomorrow's trading day. So you can at least see the first couple pages at least. That was kind of interesting that only half of them, or about half of them was like refreshing, the other ones aren't. Anyways, let's talk about Tesla because you know I love talking about Tesla. All right, so Tesla, a new analyst. Hold on, let me hit stop here. A new analyst, Romit Shah. He's comparing Tesla to Intel because Intel was able to do like revolutionary stuff with their chips and then kind of gain full control over that, and so they could market that and kind of have like the dominant market share. And he's saying Tesla's going to do the same thing. And I'll put a link in the article. I'll put a link of the article in the description. It's a really, really good article. Definitely have a look at it. But he's predicting that the stock will go up to about $500 a share, which you've heard me say that. I also think it'll go up to that amount. And he said that the Model 3 costs about $140 per mile of range versus the competitor's $235 per mile. And that he says that we believe that Tesla is on track to reduce this to under $115 per mile by 2020, which would be really, really good savings for them and would help boost their profits, which they desperately need. And then also with Netflix, UBS reiterated their buy rating on Netflix, and they raised their price target from $195 to $225. 25% upside from Tuesday's closing price. So really, really awesome rating. And also they're also expecting them to go up at the earnings report. And they said that they're thinking that they're going to add 850,000 subscribers during Q3, which versus their previous estimate of 750. And then for international subscribers, they upped their estimates by 300,000 to 3.95 million. So as you know with Netflix, or if maybe you don't know, but Netflix, a lot of their stock, kind of like with Tesla, like Tesla recently, their stock goes up at earnings based on their production. With Netflix, it basically goes up based on their subscribers. So if they post a lot of new subscribers, then their stock goes up. And if Tesla, is on track with their production, then their stock goes up. Doesn't necessarily mean they're profiting, but that's just the main key that investors are looking for. So anyways, really great news for Netflix and Tesla. We capitalized on them today. I wish I had more money to put into Netflix, but I don't. Their options are pretty expensive. But anyways, if you did like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I gotta get packing for tomorrow because we're going to Mexico, and we'll be there for the weekend. We'll come back Monday, and so I'm gonna try to do some filming and editing if I can. And I think I've already said this anyways. But anyways, I hope you guys had a fantastic day and hope you made some money today in the market. And we will see you tomorrow.